guys! Ever wondered what it's like to see San Francisco from the sky? The glowing Christmas lights, festive streets, golden hour glamour, or city skyline by night? Today, we're putting the Bwine F7Mini 4K drone to test to see if this compact and affordable drone can really capture those magical moments from the above. So stay with me as we are gonna do the unboxing, setup, and real flight over the downtown San Francisco. So let's get it started. Let's open this beast, guys. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are gonna unbox the Bwine F7Mini 4K drone. We're gonna unpack it and see it in action. So let's open the box with the drone and we'll see how it looks inside. It feels really light. It's very tiny, so let's see. By the way, you will have to download the app for this guy. It works with Apple and with Android too. So let's undo. There are quite a few stickers up here. Right. Ooh, it's a nice baggie. So that's the box. Let's put it away. Oh, it has a really nice case inside, which will be very convenient to store it. Super cute. Zippers. The case looks very durable. And that's a quick start guide and user manual. That's for protection. And this is the drone. This is the battery which came with it. We'll have to charge it up, so we don't need this thing. This is just for packaging. This is how the battery looks like. We are gonna put it right back, and it clicks and locks. Really cute. There is a cover for the lens which protects it from accidental fingers. I'll show you the remote right now. Super cute for easy operation. That's those guys right here. Let's mount them in together. One. And so those guys will help you navigate this beast. And there's a capture button right here. And this thing pulls out. And you mount your phone inside, and I'll show you how to do it. So you put your phone inside, and it will help you operate it, and you can see where your drone flies. Very cool feature. So the drone has 4K Ultra HD camera, photos up to 4K, videos up to 2.7K or 4K dependable on the phone. It is GPS enabled also with auto return home if the battery is low or signal is lost. So one more time, this is the contents, this is the box, which looks really cute. The drone, the remote control comes with 2 batteries. Battery life, by the way, advised up to 60 minutes with 2 batteries, which gives enough time for a good flight session. Setup is very simple. You just insert a charged battery, power on remote and drone pair, and you are ready to go. So this is how the drone looks like. It is very light, feels really light. So we'll see what it's gonna be capable of. We're gonna test it out in just a couple minutes. One more time, this is a remote. And the thing pulls out. It's a bit of tight. So here it is, and your phone goes inside. Don't forget to download the app, pair your remote to the drone, and you are ready to go. This is the cover for the lens for its protection, so you won't accidentally stick your fingers there and mess up the camera. Those are the chargers and the box. Everything is very compact, organized, and we are all set. Let's test it out, shall we? So we are in beautiful downtown San Francisco, and this is where we decided to put the Bwine drone to the test. As we see, the picture quality is pretty smooth. It has really good light, the weather is beautiful, and the footage looks really nice. For a mini drone, this is a really solid entry-level aerial camera. So what we notice is that the video frame rate is much better in 2.74K or 2K rather than 4K. 4K might seem a little choppy depending on the motion, which actually matches the qualities of the drone. So don't expect really professional results. Colors and stability are pretty decent. Picture is really good. So it's a very great entry-level drone. It's perfect for quick trips, holiday footage, travel vlogs, or just learning drone flying. Bwine is perfect and it's hard to beat for its price and portability. So let's fly a bit more and see what it can do. Wow, it shows perfectly all the buildings. It even shows Golden Gate in the back. Wow, it is pretty good, and we are very high above the buildings right now. We can see the clouds, we can see the fog above the Golden Gate. It is perfect. And the battery lasted for exactly an hour, like the manual startup guide says. So the battery should last an hour, and in reality it does last for an hour. So if you are a beginner, we would suggest you start using this drone in the beginner mode, and you can select that mode in your app. You can fly in open areas and avoid high wind because the drone is pretty light and you might to avoid accidental bumping in trees. Also, keep extra batteries with you just in case, so you can get more shooting done at once. For aerial, cityscapes, travel vlogs, holiday lights event, this drone is a perfect value. So we are slowly going down right now. The picture is very clear. The drone operates really smoothly. And we are returning home. Wow, it was a beautiful flight. And one more footage, we tried it in different area of the city right now. And we will show you a beautiful Christmas tree in San Francisco. It is the Macy's Christmas tree, famous tree at the Union Square. And it is beautiful, and to be honest, it's perfect. We did not expect that this drone will operate so well, especially in the heart of the downtown San Francisco, where there are a lot of interference, and in some areas you are even not honestly allowed to fly, but it works perfectly. It catches all the signals, and it even has built-in sensors, so you won't bump into things. It will avoid them. So that's the Bwine F7Mini 4K drone. We unboxed it today together, tested out and flown. Overall, so far I'm pretty impressed with what you get for that price. And if you are considering purchasing one, I'll drop the link for the Amazon in the description of this video. So hop on that Amazon link and get one at the promotional price. Christmas is coming up and this will be a perfect present for you or your loved ones. So we are pretty impressed with it. As I just said, it's compact, GPS stability is great, decent 4K camera, and a solid flight time. It's a great first drone or a travel-friendly aerial camera. So if you've enjoyed our video, hit like and subscribe button, and don't forget to ring the bell so you don't miss future drone flights and our travel videos. Drop a comment below, what city should we fly to next? Merry holidays and happy flying, guys! We'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.